Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving northwest from Rosend towards Vale, St. Mary Parish. We are driving on the A3 Agualta Vale to Martins Road, also the Nothern Coastal Highway. To the right is the Rosend Playfield. On the right is Well Road. Entering Vale. On the right is Vale Road. On the right is the Vale to Islington Road, also Islington Road, and that road will take you into Vale District towards Top Albany, Islington and other communities, as well as to the new Orange Hill Primary and Infant School and Vale Primary School. Entering Albany. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.